Hello, in this video I will show you how to turn off the alarm on a Citizen EcoDrive perpetual calendar watch. The first step is to pull the crown to position 1 and turn the crown to point the function hand to ALM or alarm. Then pull the crown one more time to position 2 and wait for the hands to stop moving. Press the upper right button to turn on or turn off the alarm. Push the crown back to the 0 position to exit the alarm settings. To return to the normal time mode, pull the crown one time to position 1 and turn the crown to point the function hand to TME or time and push back the crown to position 0. Here are two videos on how to set the time and date on this watch and also how to reset this watch if you are having any issues. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.